Good morning. I cleaned up all morning because the living room and everything was a mess. So for the most part, I got that taken care of. I have not started on the kitchen because we were outside until I noticed that it was the beginning of the end of the freaking summer for us. Why is cicadas all in this bush, y'all? Like, really, like, ganged up in this bush. Like, looking ugly, walking around, cracking shells. Like, they are breeding in this bush. They come into life in our bush outside the kitchen window. Which means when you walk out the front door, they're right there in your face, twerking and whistling and everything else they're trying to do before they die. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, my God. I'm so scared. I don't know why I feel like if I open up this freaking blinds, they're going to walk into the window. I don't freaking know. Let me turn y'all around. Now, can you see those little specks? If I can get my finger on the camera. Right there. That little speck. It's another one right there. It's another one right there. Right there. I mean, literally, it's a good 100 of them in these two bushes. It is quite a few that have cracked their shells. They are out. Like, look at that one, just right there, all up close and personal, my business. Let me close this whole window. Just close. Throw the whole apartment away. I mean, when I tell y'all, we was out there having a good grand old time. I'm like, oh, watch it, Ma, it's a bug. I'm like, okay, let me see what kind of bug you're talking about. So I sweep the first bug. I sweep it off the porch thinking it was dead because ants was right there. So I do that and turn around, standing there at the front door on a ledge. It's another one of those same bugs. So I kill this bug. Some say, Shanice, ain't cicadas supposed to come back? Yes, they are. They are here. Because as soon as I say that, I kill that bug, I toss it. I look to my left, and right there in the bush is a full-grown adult cicada ready to bounce that thing. And mate, I cannot deal. Why I thought that they weren't going to be like in front of my house, I don't know. But I realized, did not think that they was going to be in front of my window. Like, I just wasn't ready for that. Like, the backyard is full of woods. Y'all could prosper, y'all could live, y'all got open access, do y'all thing. But in front of the door? In front of the door, like, we gotta go in and out, make stuff happen. Oh, Jesus. You need a spoon, and you just gonna keep eating like you don't. The kids eating pudding now, since they had to come in from the gruesome attacks of the cicadas. So now they sitting here shirtless because they was out there getting wet. So, we sitting here waiting on Landon. Go ahead. Let me turn around. Turn around, look at me. He left Jody hat in the car. But my new favorite store.
This one?
Yeah. Where? They out here? They too privileged to have cicadas out here.
Most likely wherever trees and bushes.
Yeah, that's probably why we got so many of them. Yep.
I like who.
You feel good in here. These the little tables I was talking about. I came here to see if they online they got spray chalk. As well as like the beach stuff. Is this it? This is chalk paint. What?
Candy.
There you go.
Huh?
Oh, they got them, y'all. They got them back.
I want candy. 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 I want candy.
This one will look more like a shirt than a dress.
going, London?
The beach. Oh, here you go, spray chalk. I knew it was gonna be somewhere, but they don't got blue. Did I get pink? Get purple.
You can have pink. Oh, I can spray it.
It's spray chalk, yeah. That's what we came here for. That's what we came here for.
French fries. What?
Look, they got pillows. They got so much stuff here. It's like a fancy Dollar Tree.
Whoa.
I know, all the blind bags.
Yeah. And don't forget Steven Universe.
Yep, and then they got all of like the baseball stuff.
Oh, got the blue.
It is baseball stuff, yeah. That's what I was telling Nana. Need to give me some of these weights. Get that arm right.
What do you got? Here, kid, stand up.
Right.
Ooh, small.
You know me, I'll go get a pillow. I have to go get a pillow in a heartbeat, lay that down. He thinks that's so ghetto. I do it everywhere. That's what they sell them for you to walk around the store with. Here. You wanna go to the drive-thru then? Let her go pee? Or you gonna all go in and pee?
I was not going in.
Okay.
You want to take her in there, you can go in there, but I'm not going in there.
That's what I said. You gonna go to the drive-thru and then after he get his
It don't
stuff.
matter, but that's what I said. I wasn't going in there.
Doing a huge Instagram contest right now. Our Instagram.
The mile trip was not a success. It was too stressful. Now it's raining. My hair got wet. It's still holding up pretty good though for now. But you bald head, so it don't really
I
matter.
just took my time in brushing my hair and all that,
Bro, you ain't got nothing to brush. It's okay.
I brushed it, put the do-rag back on.
Hey guys!
You most definitely ain't getting no Happy Meal right now.
Answer him, please.
London, answer your brother.
What do you want? Hamburger.
You want a hamburger? Uh-huh. He said he wanted a burger.
I said French fry and a drink.
Oh.
And they get two things?
Yeah, bacon.
I just want a drink.
I want to drink.
You may go let her pee and get everything.
I just said that if you want to go in there and do that, go ahead. But I'm not getting out. That's what I said.
Cause I just brushed my hair and I ain't about to get rained on.
I wasn't saying that. I'm just saying because everybody don't need to go in there to get something to drink.
I didn't say everybody to go. I just said, do you want me to take her in while she peeing?
Or you said, or do everybody? Is everybody going? I said no. Everybody.
I said get everything. No, I did not.
I'm talking about the first time when we first pulled up.
I said.
And is everybody going in? And I said no. Not everybody going in. I'm not going in.
All right.
What you getting?
A Sprite? Nah, give me a tea.
Exactly. What? What kind of drink you want?
Hassy, lemon pop.
Lemon pop. Yes. You got a diaper
I
in
really
your
don't want to give
hand.
him a cup.
Oh, I just cleaned all the cups out. Get him apple juice, but it's the same price as a drink, so it kind of defeats the purpose.
What, can I get 2 smile fries, a smile Hi-C and a smile Sprite? What else you want?
You can't do the 2 fries on the 2 for 2? Oh, okay.
It don't fucking matter. What you want to drink?
It's all
Can
tea.
I get a large tea like ice? And a large Hi-C like ice. That's all. worried about fucking.
Nah, but you're the same person worried about the fact that that girl finessed you out of $2. Almost $2.
She did.
She did.
You
When
worried
you
about
misordered.
20 cents.
40.